It's 6 to 12 months before your first boat trip. Research at this stage is critical. Deciding on your dive destination is your first step. Do you like warm or cold water? Do you want to travel outside of your country? When do you want to travel? With these three answers, you should have an area of the globe narrowed down. Are you traveling outside of your country? Do you have a passport? If not, start the process now. What are the vaccine requirements for your destination? You can find this answer on the World Health Organization's website. Will you need plane tickets? I purchase them as quickly as I know when and where I am traveling. Picking a dive operation. The dive operation is a significant key to a successful dive trip. Are you looking for a resort or a dive operation hotel? You may save money with the dive operation hotel option, but the resort will be more relaxed and have more amenities. It will just cost you more money. Your dive operator or resort should be a member of a professional dive association, PADI, NAUI, SSI. If not, you may want to pick a more reputable operator. Ask yourself whether you have the dive certifications necessary to go on the trip. Adventure diving operations can require special certifications to do certain dives, i.e. wreck dives, night dives, nitrox dives. If your trip requires one, then you will need to get these certifications. This effort will require time and money. Will the dive operation supply your equipment? If not, do you have all of your gear? Most of the time, the dive operation can supply you with equipment. Do not take this for granted. Check to make sure all of these questions have answers. There are no wrong questions. Ask. You now have your destination and your reservation. What about your gear? Inventory your dive gear to make sure you have everything you will need to complete the trip. Sometimes you may need extra equipment that is not ordinarily necessary. Cold water diving may need a dry suit. Night diving, you need 2 lights. Do a checkout dive somewhere close to your home. I cannot stress this point enough. Assuming you are spending $500 a day on a trip, a gear mistake, regs not serviced, BCD has a leak, can wipe out an entire dive day. $500 spent and no dives to show for it. This equipment problem can be taken care of by doing a checkout dive a couple of months before you go. All of these steps complete will set you up for an extraordinary trip. Remember, never swim, snorkel, or dive alone. Never bother the wildlife, and only leave footprints in the sand when you leave. I hope you learned something today and every day. Click that like button and subscribe to the channel so you know when we post our next episode. And we'll see you here next time on Undersea G.